Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
मम्मी देख लो
Good morning. Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Vanshvardhan present.
Good morning. Why the number of students are so less?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay, shall we start? Or let's wait for one more minute. Let's see if more students are joining or not. Very less strength.
So from the morning, very assistant. And only in SST class, some students are there.
Good morning, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon.
Sorry, sir, I am late in the meeting.
Okay, beta, try to join a little early.
Sorry, sir, because of the network issue, I have joined some late. Sir, today we will do reasoning. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, we will. No, we will continue with mathematics, beta. Do you have any doubts in reasoning?
No, sir.
So now we start the class. So can I tell what we were doing yesterday?
We were doing exercise 20.3. We have done A1.
Yes, we have to do question B today.
So,
Exercise 20.3. Okay.
the second. So we have done the first one of B part
Yes, sir.
Yes.
and we're doing the second.
We have done so only first one of the B1, the parallelogram.
Yes.
So, sir, we will continue with the B1.
Yes, now we will continue with B1. Okay. Okay, all of you try all the parts of B1 till the sixth part. You do it in your copies. Don't draw the figures. Just do till the sixth part of question B in your copies. Okay, start doing them.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please can you do the second one on the board? I am confused in it.
Okay. I am doing it on the board. Just wait. Till then, you complete all the parts, all the other parts.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Do other parts. I will do the second one on the board.
Okay, sir.
Okay, have you all done till the sixth part of the question?
Yes, sir.
In the second part, you have to, I think Vidushi was asking the second part.
Yes.
Vidushi, you were asking the second part? Vidushi, you were asking the second part? Are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I'm telling the second one. It is a triangle. It is something like this. I'm drawing the figure also.
So then, so
So
then,
the base of the triangle is 6 centimeter, and the height of the, this is known as the height of the triangle. This is 3 centimeters. Okay. Base is 6 centimeters and height is 3 centimeters. It is given, shown in the figure. Now you find the area. First write the formula. Area is equals to half into base into height. This is the formula. So half into base. What is base? 6. And what is height? 3. So 6 and 2. You can divide 6 by 2. You will get 3. So 3 into 3 is 9 centimeters square. This is the answer of the second part. All of you check your
yes,
answers.
sir.
Correct?
So my answer is correct. Yes, sir. So I've done all.
We
So
have
because
already
yesterday
done
I've
this
done
in
4 and
previous
I did that
exercise.
again.
In the first exercise, we have already done the area of a triangle, area of
Yes, sir.
rectangle, parallelogram, everything we have already done in the first exercise. Parallelogram we have done in this one. Other figures we
Yes,
have
sir.
done in previous exercises. So I am telling you all the answers. You all need to check your answers. Okay, check your answers. I'm telling the answers. All of
The
you.
third one is in decimal.
Yes, the third one answer is 36.5 centimeters square. 36.5 centimeters. Sorry, not 36. It's
38.
38.5. 38.5
Yes, sir.
centimeters
38.
square. 38.5 centimeters square.
And this answer is also correct.
Then fourth one, the answer is 84 centimeters square. Sorry, not 84, 63 centimeters. I'm sorry.
Yes,
63
sir.
centimeters square. Fourth one.
Yes, sir.
And the
My answer is correct.
I saw. Fifth one, check the answer of the fifth one also. It is 32 meters square. Sorry,
Sir,
it's
my
yes,
answer
sir.
is correct. That is
in the
32
fifth one.
centimeter.
Fifth वाले में एक change करो आप. The base is written 8 meter. Instead of 8 meter, you make it 8 centimeters. Okay. Question में थोड़ा
Okay,
सा
sir.
change कर लो. वो गलती से misprint हो गया. That is not 8 meter. That is 8 centimeter in the question.
Okay, sir.
The height is correct. It is 4 centimeter, but the base is written wrong. This should be 8 centimeters. So the answer will be
Okay, sir.
32
And so the
centimeters.
actual is 121 centimeters.
32 centimeters square, fifth one, and the last one, sixth one,
120.
121 centimeters square.
Sir, this is also right.
So my all answers are correct.
Very good.
Then I have
Okay,
done the
now,
formula also.
okay. Now, the C part of the question.
Yes, sir. So how we will do this?
Yes, I'm telling you. C part. Question C of the exercise. Question C. B we have already done. Joshi beta, you are a new student in this school, or you were there earlier also?
So I'm earlier there.
You are an old student. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Which year you took admission?
Yes, sir.
You are here since which class?
Sir, first.
You are here since first class. Okay. And is there any brother or sister also in the school?
No, sir.
No. And where do you live, Joshi?
Sir, I live in 61 Radhesham Enclave.
Radheshyam Enclave. Where this is Radheshyam Enclave? Where it is?
So civil lines.
Civil lines. Okay.
So near Vikas Bhavan.
C part of the question. C question, first part. I'm asking because earlier you were not attending the classes, so I thought that you are in admission. Now you are attending the classes, very good. Earlier you were not attending, so I thought that maybe you are a new admission. So now you are attending, very good. Okay, first part, this is the figure, something like this. 2 centimeter, 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, and 2
And again
centimeters.
2 centimeters.
Okay, so these are the sides marked in the figure. Now we have to find the area of this shape. ये कौन सा shape है? Tell me what is the shape? What type of shape this is? Is it a triangle? Is it a quadrilateral? Is it a rectangle? Or it is a parallelogram? It is neither a rectangle nor a parallelogram nor a triangle.
Yes, sir. So
It
it's
is.
just irregular.
It is nothing. It is also not a square. So how will you find the area of this shape? कैसे find करेंगे? We will divide this figure into two rectangles. कैसे करेंगे divide? You will just draw a dotted line here. So now there are
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So there are two rectangles because this is
Yes.
a shape of a T, but it is.
We can divide the shape into two rectangles. Okay. So this is the main concept. You will divide the shape into two rectangles. So this is the first rectangle and this is the second rectangle. If we have to find the area of this shape, what we are going to do, area will be equal to area of first rectangle plus area of second rectangle. We will divide the shape into two rectangles, and now we can add the areas of both the rectangles and we will get the total area of the shape. Are you getting the
Excuse me,
point?
sir.
Yes.
Sir, we have to draw the shape in our copies.
It will be better if you draw the shape in your copies.
Okay, sir.
First rectangle we will
Sorry, Tadashi?
multiply then is equal to that and
Sorry?
in the first time multiply two
Your voice is not clear, beta. It is cracking because of the network. Okay, so I'm showing you how to do it. Area of first rectangle. So area equals to area of first rectangle. What is it? Length into breadth. 5 into 2. 5 into 2. This is the area of a rectangle. Length into breadth. The formula you all know. 5 into 2. Length into breadth plus. So first you will find this, and then 6 into 2. Area of the second rectangle. 6 into 2. So area equals to 5 into 2 is 10. 6 into 2 is 12. 10 plus 12 is equal to how much? 22 centimeter square. Got it or not? This is the answer. Very simple.
Yes, sir.
Understood or not, all of you?
Put it in the notebook.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Do it.
Sir, but I am having one. I am having one problem in the second one. So in this, when we divide it, so there is one square. So when how we will do second one?
Sorry, which one?
So
So
she is
second
asking for
of
second.
two.
Second one? I will tell you. I will tell you. Don't worry.
Yes.
I will tell you the
So
second one.
there is in the second one there is one rectangle and one square.
No, both the shapes are rectangles only. Acha, nahi. There is a square. Doesn't matter. One rectangle and one is square. The smaller one is a square. Doesn't
Yes,
matter
sir.
what the shape is. The formula will remain the same. Method will be same. Okay. So do this one in your copies first.
Sir, I have done this question and I got the same answer.
Very good. Okay, so for the second part, I'm telling you how to do it. You all have to do it on your own. Okay. Second part, mein, I'm giving you just a little help. Okay. So this is the shape. It's something like this. This side is 5 centimeters. This is 4 centimeters. This is 6. This is 2 centimeters. So what you will do here, you will join this, and you can see that this figure will form a square. Why a square only? Because this whole side is 6. ये पूरा यहाँ से यहाँ तक कितना है 6. Okay. So this is 4. That means this much will be 4. अंदर वाला part जो है this one will be 4. 4 and 4. 1. So this much will be 2. So that means it is a square. So this area of this square plus area of this rectangle, sides are 5 and 4. 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter are the sides of rectangle, and the side of the square is 2 centimeters. So you add the areas of both the shapes, you will get the answer. Do it.